Sunspots have been a mystery since they were discovered in the 19th century by English astronomer Edward Mondar. Some scientists have theorized that solar storms, or so-called cosmic hurricanes, are causing hurricanes here on Earth. Solar storms happen when the sun puts out a tremendous amount of energy released from sunspots. The particles called coronal mass ejections make their way to Earth as solar wind. These bursts happen every 11 years in a cycle. Some scientists believe this solar energy heats up the surface water temperature here on Earth and increases the number of hurricanes. This theory is not accepted by all scientists.
As far as we know, it doesn't provide any changes in the heat delivered to the Earth. The thing that powers hurricanes is essentially heat, and in particular, it's a very localized source of heat. Essentially, it's a parcel of hot air near the equator, which causes a lot of the air over it to rise and spiral around. And so, it's really difficult to understand how any particular solar flare can cause a particular hurricane. That's very implausible. What could happen, conceivably, although there's no physical mechanism known for this either, is that a season of strong solar activity could be associated with a season of strong hurricanes.
What we do know is the Atlantic has already turned out 7 named storms this hurricane season, a season that is only halfway over. And just this month, government forecasters and forecasters at Colorado State University both predicted this season will be even worse than they first thought.
Over the years there have been research that has looked into that. Does the moon affect our weather? Does the solar activity affect our weather? Now there is a periodic increase and decrease in solar activity, and lately there have been reports and studies that have suggested that it may influence our weather, just as the moon. I'm not going to start predicting daily weather events or storm events. Like one particular storm cannot be attributed to, oh, this is an increase in solar activity or the moon affected this storm. That hasn't been proven.
For now, theory will remain theory until scientists prove it to be fact.